Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to see solutions for exercise 1D of lesson 1. The introduction video for this lesson I have suggested in the link above. Go through it. Okay. Now we have in the earlier videos we have seen about exercise 1A, 1B, 1C. So today we are going to see about 1D. Here in 1D, we have to find a rational number between each of the following pairs of rational numbers. That means in between two rational numbers, you have to find the third rational number between these two. Here they are asking about one rational number. A means one rational number. So what you have to do, as you are doing between 2 and 3, you know that is 2 and 3, between number is 2.5. How can we find 2.5? That is, add 2 plus 3 and divide it by 2. So you get 2.5. 2 plus 3 is 5 and divide by 2, you get 2.5. Similarly, for rational numbers also we have to do the same here. When you want to find a single rational number, for that purpose, this is the easy way, that add these two rational numbers and divide it by 2. So you get the third rational number between these two rational numbers. So this is the way. Let us see here this second example. This is 11 upon 8 and 2 by 1. Between these two rational numbers you have to find the third one. So we will start with 1 by 2, 11 by 8 plus 2 by 1. Now since this is addition and this is a fraction, you have to take the LCM. For addition you need to do the denominator same. So this will be 1 by 2, denominator is 8, LCM of 8 and 1 is 8, multiply each denominator to each of the term. So it will be 16 here. So you will get it as 1 upon 2, this will be 27 upon 8, and that will give you 27 upon 8 to the is 16. So the answer between two rational numbers, this is 27 upon 16. So 11 by 8 and 2 by 1, the rational number between these two is 27 upon 16. So this is the way to find a single rational number. Let us see for negative rational numbers, that is minus 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 7. So half minus 3 by 5 plus minus 4 by 7. Okay, so this will be half minus 3 by 5 plus minus is minus 4 by 7. Now you have to take the LCM of 5 and 7, that becomes 35. Multiply each of the term by 35. So here you will get minus 3 into 7 and here minus 4 into 5. So this will be 1 by 2 minus 21 minus 20 upon 35, and that gives you minus 41 upon 35. Okay, and do the multiplication with half. It will be minus 41 upon 70. So this statement is very important. You have to write as in the ascending order, that is minus 41 upon 70, and this one is minus 4 by 7. So this method is easy for when you want to find one rational number. And this is the last one that I have done. It is minus 2 and minus 17 by 21. Minus 2 means minus 2 by 1 and minus 17 by 21. Find the LCM and solve it, and you will get it as minus 59 upon 42, and make it a mixed fraction, convert it into mixed fraction, that is 1 whole 17 upon 42. So this is the arrangement. Okay. Let us move on to the next question, that is second one is to find three rational numbers. Now for three rational numbers, you can do the method that we did above in question number 1, that is adding the two numbers and dividing it by 2. Okay, so one step you have to go on doing. The first given two rational numbers are 4 by 1 and 14 by 3. So in between these two you have to find the third one. So that comes out to be 13 by 3 by doing the above process. Okay, now this is the first rational number we got. We want to find 3. Then the second one will be between 4 and 13 by 3. 4 by 1 and 13 by 3. So you have to take these two rational numbers and solve accordingly as we did above, and you will get 4 1 by 6. Okay, and then the third rational number that we are finding, it will be between 13 by 3 and 14 by 3. So that will be 9 by 2, that is 4.5. So this way you can solve to find the three rational numbers, or there is another method, so that we will see, and it is applicable to any n number of rational numbers that we can find between the two rational numbers. So this is 4 by 1 and 14 by 3. Take the LCM now. LCM is 3 here, and make the denominator of each of the term as 3. Okay, so this we got it as 12 by 3 and 14 by 3. Now these are like fractions. Now you can see the numerator, it is 12 and it is 14. There is not much difference between 12 and 14. So we will multiply it by 10. You can multiply it by any number, but since 10 is easy to do and easy to remember, so you can do multiply by 10. So multiply by 10 to numerator and denominator and to both of the terms. So 14 into 10 and 3 into 10. You got the new rational numbers as 120 upon 30 and 140 upon 30. Now there is a difference between 120 and 140, that is 20 difference. So you can write any number between these two rational numbers. So they are asking three rational numbers, so you can write any three as you wish, any three rational numbers between 120 and 140. Okay, now these three are getting, I wrote it as 125 upon 30, 130 upon 30 and 135 upon 30, and since we can convert them into standard form after cutting them, so you got it as 25 by 6, 13 by 3 and 9 by 2, and then they are in the form of improper fraction, so convert it into mixed numeral, that is 4 1 by 6, 4 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 2. So these are the three rational numbers between 4 upon 1 and 14 upon 3. So this way you have to solve. That makes you easy to understand. So just multiply by 10. You can take any number, but 10 is easy to remember and easy to do too. Now let us move on to the third question. 2 and 3 here. So 2 and 3, you can see that means 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. So LCM is 1 here, and between 2 and 3 there is no difference, so multiply by 10, 1 into 10, and here 3 into 10 upon 1 into 10. So that gives 20 by 10 and 30 by 10. Okay, now see, you can find the difference. There is a difference of 10 numbers between 20 and 30. So you can easily write 3 between that. So it is 20 upon 10. So you can write 23 upon 10, 25 upon 10 and 27 upon 10, and the last one given in the question as 30 upon 10. So these are the three numerals, these are the three rational numbers between 20 upon 10 and 30 upon 10. Okay. So if you multiply it by 10, it makes the sum easy. Then the next one is minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 4. So let us start with, so this one will become as minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Okay, now convert each of the term with the LCM here. So this becomes minus 1 by 2 into 2, and this is minus 1 by 4. So this will be minus 2 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4. Now multiply with 10. 4 into 10 minus 1 into 10 upon 4 into 10. That gives you minus 20 upon 40 and minus 10 upon 40. Now minus 20 and minus 10, you can write three rational numbers between that. So you can do it as minus 20 upon 40 minus then 18 upon 40 minus 12 minus 16 upon 40 minus 12 upon 40 minus 10 upon 40. So this way we can solve it. The next question is similar one. You have to find 5 rational numbers now. So between minus 3 and minus 2, 5 rational numbers. So minus 3 and minus 2 means minus 3 upon 1 and minus 2 upon 1. So minus 3 into 10 upon 1 into 10 and minus 2 up into 10 upon 1 into 10. So you got minus 30 upon 10 and minus 20 upon 10. Okay, so there is a difference of 10 here. So you can write it as minus 30 upon 10. You have to write 5 here. So minus 29 upon 10, minus 28 upon 10, minus 27 upon 10, minus 26 upon 10 and minus 25 upon 10, and last one is the question minus 20 upon 10. So these middle 5 terms, 5 rational numbers are the rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, here it is given, the first question was given as 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. So take the LCM, 5 and 3, 15 is the LCM. So multiply each of the term with 3 here and with 5 here. So it will be 9 upon 15 and 10 upon 15, multiply by 10 then to increase the denominator. Okay, so it becomes 90 upon 150 and 100 upon 150, and write the any 5 rational numbers between 90 and 100. This is second one. Minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 means minus 3 by 2. 1 and 2 LCM is 2 here. So make the denominator as 2. So minus and multiply by 10 to each of the rational numbers. So it becomes minus 40 upon 20 and minus 30 upon 20, and write any 5 rational numbers between them. Here they are asking write minus 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6, LCM will be, LCM of 4 and 6 will be here 12. So minus 3 upon 4, 4 3s are 12, convert the denominator as 12, and 5 upon 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so this will be minus 9 upon 12, and this is 10 upon 12. Okay, now we want 10 rational numbers. If we are getting the 10 rational numbers, see here it is minus 9 and here it is 10 plus 10. So we are getting enough of numbers between two because the difference is more. So we can write, we do not need to multiply by 10 here, we are getting already a lot of numbers. So we can simply write it here as minus 9 upon 12, then minus 8 upon 12, minus 7 upon 12, minus 6 upon 12, minus 5 upon 12, minus 4 upon 12, minus 3 upon 12, minus 2 upon 12, minus 1 upon 12, 0 upon 12 is 0, and then 1 upon 12, and this is 10 upon 12. So this way any number you can write between minus 9 and plus 10. Okay. The next is similarly finding 12 rational numbers. So between minus 1 and 2. So minus 1 and 2 means minus 1 upon 1 and 2 upon 1. Now here multiply by 10 here, into 10 into 10. So 2 upon 1 into 10 into 10. You will get it as minus 10 upon 10, and this one as 20 upon 10. Now there is a difference between minus 10 and 20. So write those numbers. Minus 10 upon 10, minus 9 upon 10, minus 8 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10, minus 5 upon 10, minus 4 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, 0 upon 10 is 0, then 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, or I can simply write it as 15 upon 10, and then 20 upon 10. So any number between minus 10 to 20, you can write any number, that much n numbers they have asked you in the question. So here they have asked 12 rational numbers. So any 12 numbers you can write in between the given question. So this was all about exercise 1D. Okay. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.